Thank you for tuning in to the Brach Eichler Talks Podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we will discuss a recent alert from Brach Eichler titled AI Risks, Court Holds Attorney-Client Privilege Waived by Client's Use of AI App. A federal judge last week held that the output from a generative AI app is not protected by the attorney-client privilege, even if the query had been made for the purpose of assisting with legal advice. United States v. Heppner, number 25 CR 00503 JSR, SDNY February 6, 2026. We published a legal alert about this issue only a few weeks ago, cautioning readers about the risks with funneling confidential information through a generative AI app. We wrote that the use of an AI app in this fashion is tantamount to client waiver of the attorney-client privilege. Now, a highly regarded federal jurist from the Southern District of New York has so held. Heppner is not an outlier. The federal prosecutor in Heppner explained the U.S. government's position. The defendant chose to share his prompts with an AI tool created by a third-party company that is publicly accessible. He further chose to receive AI-generated responses drawing upon a wide range of underlying sources. And this was not a mystery to the defendant. Anthropic explicitly advises its users in its privacy policy that it collects data on the prompts entered and outputs generated, that it uses this data to train its AI tool, and that it may disclose this data to governmental regulatory authorities and third parties. For these reasons, users have a diminished privacy interest in conversations with an AI tool which users voluntarily disclose to an AI company and which the AI company retains in the normal course of business. For questions about AI governance, workplace compliance, or developing an AI use policy tailored to your organization, please contact Lani M. Dornfeld, Esquire, CHPC, member Healthcare Law at 973-403-3136 or ldornfeld@bracheichler.com. Or J. Sabin, Esquire, member Labor and Employment Practice at 917-596-8987 or jsabin@bracheichler.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for updates on new episodes. For more information and resources, visit bracheichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brach Eichler LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax and cannabis law.